Hi, I'm going to show you today infinite Dutch braid. First you have to take a small section and then split in two equal sections, and then take a small section under the left section, and this is going to be your wrapping strand. Take the wrapping strand under the left section and to over the right section, and now hold the strand like this. Grab the strand with the pointy finger and thumb in between, and now add small section and add to the wrapping strand, and now wrapping a strand under the right section and over the left section. Again, hold the strand with pointy finger and thumb in between and add small section and add to wrapping strand, and now wrap under the left section to over the right section, and again add small section, add to the wrapping strand, and now wrap under the right section and over the left section. Again, hold with point finger with thumb in between and add small section and add to the wrapping strand, and now wrap under the left section to over the right section. Now I'm going to speed the video and show you the end result. This is the last result. I used a beautiful clip to decor the braid. Thank you very much for the watching till end, and I post every day new tutorials for hair and bun, so please subscribe me and watch. It will be appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.